bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn bàbá olóyin gan, bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Iyesi Ọ̀tà, bàbá olóyin bus stop, bàbá olóyin bus stop, Iyesi Ọ̀tà. The program you are watching today is from Baba Oloyin Original Television, Baba Oloyin Original Television on YouTube channel. And my phone number 080 54 74 94 55 080 54 74 94 55. You can also reach me on another number 0810 84 31 336 0810 84 31 336. But it's advisable to send your messages on WhatsApp so that it will be easy for me to reply you very, very, very well. Today, I want to give you another secret. This is just an egg. If you know how to use excess, you will not throw your excess away again. After eating your egg, when you break your egg, you will always keep the cells if you know how to use it. Because you can use it for protection. You can use it for general love and attraction. Get seated. I will tell you today again about egg cells. But just before then, don't forget I publish many books. This is one of my books when I say medicine. Healing Power of Honey, Solution to Woman Problems book. This is African Power Part 1. This is African Power Part 2. And this is my latest book, African Power Part 3. You can get all these my books as e-books on your WhatsApp, email or Gmail. That is to say, you can get the books on your phone. And distance is no more a barrier. We can send the books to you all over the world if you can pay for delivery. Now back to what I earlier said. See, anytime you cook your egg, you boil the egg or you fried your eggs, the cells, don't throw them away again. You know, I taught you how you can use the whole egg for protection against enemies. I taught you before. Yes. If an egg nagged the stone, it is the egg that will break. If the stone happen to stump on this egg, it is the egg that will suffer, that will break. Yes. But today I want to tell you about egg cells. You know egg, you can't put egg in your pocket. Never. You can't buy your egg and put it inside your poly bag, inside your handbag. You will never do it again if it happens. All of them will break away. They always keep egg. They respect, please. Yes. So the egg cells is just what you need. You need this thing. You call this thing ẹfun ilẹ̀, local chalk. You can see the long one. You can see the you can see the circle one like this, round one. Ẹfun ilẹ̀, local chalk. Sometimes they can say the long one for you is the same thing. Ẹfun ilẹ̀, local chalk. You get this one mixed with egg cells. Add to your facing powder. Anywhere you go, people will like you and do your wish for love and attraction. But if you have hatred in your body, remove hatred from your body first of all. It will work for you. Yes. Èpo ẹyin adìẹ ẹ lọ papọ̀ mọ́ ẹfúnlẹ̀ ẹ dà pẹ̀lú àtíkè. Mix with powder of your choice. Powder your face every day. If you are the type that you always sweat, like I am doing now, you know I am sweating. Yes. If you always sweat, you can mix with perfume of your choice. O lè dànù àdé àgbọn. You can mix with coconut oil. Rub your face with it before you go outside every day. You will thank God. Before you go, I must not forget to tell you about this thing. This hot water soap to remove family curses and family bondages in your life. Buy hot water soap. If people hate you for nothing's sake, buy hot water soap. Yes. Ogun tí ń lé ní táàkì gbọ́ gírígírí ẹsẹ̀. You always have bad dreams. They always beat you in the dreams. Buy hot water soap. This is coconut oil perfume. You put money inside it. Unless they don't spend money again, that won't see money. You will always see money. You will always see money. For love and attraction to see money, buy coconut oil perfume. I have shea butter cream. Níjọ́ òrì bá fojú kóòrùn ni máa ń yọ̀. Àyà yọnu sí mi. Àyà yọnu sí ẹ. You just open it, touch it, rub your navel with it. The next 6 months, you can't finish it. Ẹ tọ́jú ara yín. Ẹ tọ́jú ara yín. They are doing promotion in your office, they don't promote you. Take care of yourself. Your business is running down. You don't make sales as before. Try to buy this thing. Hot water soap, coconut oil perfume and shea butter cream. Stop complaining. Bí ìlú ṣe lè tún àkàn kọ́lé wọn ra mọ́tò. Tèmi ò ní bàjẹ́. Tèmi ò ní ṣòro ṣe. Tí wọ́n náà bá rẹ̀ kó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Tèmi ò ní ṣòro ṣe lọ́dọ̀ rẹ bàbá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, before I go, I must not forget to thank those people that are supporting my channel. My only daughter in Belgium, thank you very much. Ojú ìtọ́lódùmarè ojú òní tiẹ̀. Amen. God will say amen to your prayers. Mo fẹ́ Olúwa kó bá ẹ fẹ́, mo kọ̀ Olúwa kó bá ẹ kọ̀. O ní scam, o ní ṣàìsàn. You will live long to eat fruits of your labour. Mr. Akínọlá Adébáyọ̀. Thank you. Thank you very much. Mr. Akínọlá Adébáyọ̀. Thank you, sir. I never see him in life. Amen. I never see. But they always support my channel. Mrs. Ekpebu. She also used to support my channel. Mrs. Ekpebu. Yes. She used to support our channel. Mrs. Binaibi Ekpebu. Binaibi Ekpebu. Thank you very much. Even she sent something to me last week. I do appreciate. Auntie Oluwakemi Bishop UK, Auntie Funke Adedoyin, thank you very much, my sister. Brother Kim, USA, èèyàn sálà sọ tèmi o, èèyàn sálà sọ tèmi. Mr. Newton UK, Mr. Fasaki UK, Mr. Kelly USA, Alhaja Fatima Leke Aja, ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ o. Thank you very much for supporting my channel. If you like today's program by following Eugenia TV, don't forget you can also watch me on my sister channel, Kini Show TV. Kini Show TV. And my son channel, Mr. Lastborn Comedy, Adewusi. Till next time when you see me again, remain blessed.